Dear friends, today we'll learn how to use Mendeley Reference Manager. I am Dr. Inayat Bashir Pathan, Assistant Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Aurangabad. Mendeley is the reference manager tool that collects and organizes citation and then easily insert them into a documents and format the bibliography. Now we'll see in a detail the features of Mendeley Reference Manager. The Mendeley downloads and install freely and easily, access your Mendeley library everywhere by adding a paper directly from your browser or import any document from your desktop, and can install in Windows, Mac and Linux. Mendeley easy referencing by generate the references, citations and bibliographies in whole range of journal style in Microsoft Word document. Next feature is the sign in and synchronize across multiple devices. Then unique option for organizing and annotating the PDFs. It is also drag and drop the PDF into library in easy way and save the time. Create the Mendeley profile and add the published research work to collect statistics on downloads, citations and more. Create a network of people or researcher doing the similar research. Mendeley gives a notification related to the career development and funding. So these were the features of Mendeley Reference Manager. Now we'll see what are the learning outcomes of this session. The learners will able to access Mendeley library by adding the paper from various sources, generate the references, citations and bibliographies in a Microsoft Word Office, organize and annotating the PDF files. Now we'll see how to use the Mendeley Reference Manager. Now first we have to create the account on Mendeley, that is mendeley.com, and sign in. So we have to go on this. So when you will type the Mendeley in the Google, so you will open this page, that is the Mendeley, www.mendeley.com. so in this, like this page will open. In this you have to sign, or if you have your own account, no problem, otherwise you have to create an account. By creating the account, so you have to click on the create account. So after clicking on the create account, so in this way you have to fill your information, and after all, like this, the account, after the opening the account, like this page will open. Already my account was there, so this page will, like this page will open. So this is your Mendeley account will be there. All your publications, everything, it will be in this account. It will show your profile, your database, your H-index, citations, everything will be seen in this Mendeley library. Now so after the logging in Mendeley, so at the right hand corner, above corner, you will see like this arrow, down arrow, you click on that. So there is setting and privacy, download Mendeley. So if from this you have to download the Mendeley and install in your computer. So once you have click on this download Mendeley, so next it will be download in your computer, and it will see like this icon Mendeley. So after downloading and installing in your computer, you click on this. In this you have to add the email ID. So email ID and password will be the same when you as you have opened the account, create the account, the same email ID and password you have to add in this. So once you have added the password, and so you have to sign in Mendeley library. So like this window will be open, you have to close that. Not now. So in this way, like this Mendeley desktop will be open. So this Mendeley desktop will contain the different tabs. So file will be there, add file, add folder, watch folder, add entry manually. So we'll see one by one now. So it contains the Mendeley literature search will be there, all documents will be there, recent added, recent read, favorites, needs review, and my publications. So in this way, so you can add your document PDF files, article, literatures. So now we'll see now one by one. The first we have to so now so here in the view, library as a table and library as a citation. So now in this case, you are looking these papers, these articles which are in the citation style in library as a citations. So you can convert it into table also like this. So it is converted into table, author, title, like this. You can change these articles also in the library as a citations. So in this case, it will be converted into the citations. Style will be there, different style. Now next we'll see the reference entry in the Mendeley. Now how we can add this article in the Mendeley now? So now we can add by the three way, by a single file or from folder or watch folder. So from file, now here we can add now add file. We'll add now, for example, this article is in my download in computer. So I will select this article and I will add it. So in this way it will be added in this Mendeley library. So it is added in this Mendeley library just now. See, you can see the status also. Next we can add the folder also. So now we'll add any one folder from this, add folder. We'll create one folder. These two folder, these two PDF will put in this folder. Now we'll add this folder in Mendeley. In this we can add folder. You can go on desktop. So new folder is there. So in this way we have added these two paper, that folder we have added in this. So in this way we can we can drag and drop the PDF also in this. So now we can drag this in this, so we can drag and drop. So this is also good application of this Mendeley. We can save the time also here. The next is the watch folder is there. So we have seen the add file, we have added the single file, we have added the folder, then watch folder is there. So watch folder is allow you to automatically add a new document to your Mendeley library. So this is one advantage. Next we can add the article manually also. So we can add this name of author, name of journal, year, volume. Once you have added this, you can save this in the Mendeley library. So in this way we can add by the three method, by the single file, by folder, and by the manually. Now we'll see the how to insert the references into the document now. So in this, first most important is that you have to click on the tools In this there are the number of applications are there. For install the web features are there, install the web importer, uninstall the MS Word plugin. Now first we'll see the install web importer. So the document which the articles which if you want to import from the web, from Google, from google.com or any other sources, you can import directly into the your Mendeley library. Now we'll see how to install it. Click on that. So in this way the Mendeley.com reference web portal page will open. So in this here, get web import for the Firefox. Now which type of browser you are using? Normally the Firefox is better. You can use the Chrome also. So I have used here I am using the Firefox. So after the get web portal after clicking this, so like this icon will be generated at the right upper corner. So this is Mendeley web importer. Now from this you can import. Now we'll see how to import. Now we'll open the Google page. We'll add we'll import some articles now. Transdermal drug delivery system. So in this case we'll go in the scholarly articles. After clicking this, these articles are open. Now you have to click on this Mendeley icon, Mendeley web importer. So after clicking, like this window, small window will open. So that window is of web importer. So whole list will be generated here, and you have to select and you have to import into your Mendeley library. So in this way, next, now how to insert the bibliography in the Microsoft Word document. Now we'll see that. So now you have to go again in tools. You have to, here I have already installed the MS Word plugin. So before so here will be the install MS Word plugin. You have to click that, then it will be install the MS Word plugin. After the install of this MS Word plugin, you have to open the Word file. Now like this Word file, in this you have to go in the reference. So after you plugging of this Mendeley, so like this icon will be generated, that is insert citations. Now we'll insert some citations now. So for example, we'll open this paper. We'll take some material from this now. Now we have to cite this by adding the we have to cite now. Now how to cite now? Now for example, now this article we have taken from this article. So directly you have to go into the citation, insert citation, then cite, click on the cite. So like this it will be get inserted. So next again you can insert the next article. If you want to add now second article, you can insert it in this. Again insert the citation, go into this, cite the article. So in this way we have cited the two articles. Now we will prepare the now bibliography. So in the bibliography you have to insert the bibliography. So in this way we can insert the bibliography. Here we can change the style of this reference also. Now here we have used the American Psychological Association. We can change into the Harvard. So in this way we can change the Harvard also. So in this way we can insert the bibliography in Microsoft Word document. We can change the style of these references in various styles are there. If Vancouver is there, nature is there, different style are there, but we require any other different type of style, then in this case you have to click on the more style. So here all the style which we install in our Mendeley library, but you require other style. For example, now get more style. So we'll get take the we will use the style of any journal, that is for example, take an example of international. So for example, we have taken this journal Advanced in Collide and Interface Science, already install. So we will install it. It is get installed. So click on done. So you can in this way you can click on this which is installed. Now here we have taken this, use this. So you have to click on use this style. After clicking selected, click on done. So it will come in this list. So now you can see here that which we have selected, the Advanced in Collide and Interface Science. So in this way we can use the different types of styles here. Huge number of style we can include in this Mendeley library. So now next we'll see now how to use the here we'll see now how to use the PDF annotation now. So consider this is now one PDF we have opened.